Now I would like to welcome Sasirekha ma'am and Prakash sir.
Good afternoon everyone. Myself I am Sasirekha, Department of Chemistry, Himalayan University, India. I am going to present my paper, The Bioactive Potential of Imidazole Derivatives, Synthesis and Characterization. My abstract, Investigation of Bioactive Potential, explores imidazole derivatives for their potential activity, focus on their synthesis, characterization and application in medicinal chemistry. Structural significance of imidazole. Imidazole is a 5-member heterocyclic compound, act as a core structure in various bioactive compounds. Bioactivity spectrum. Associated with antibacterial, antimicrobial, anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory and anti-diabetic properties. My study objectives: review the latest method for synthesizing imidazole derivatives, characterizing the chemical properties of these compounds, explore the biological activities of imidazoles. Next we are going to see the introduction of imidazole derivatives. Imidazole is a 5-member heterocyclic compound with 2 nitrogen atoms present in the imidazole ring. Its essential building blocks in medicinal chemistry act as a versatile scaffold for bioactive compounds. Naturally present in some molecules like histamine and essential amino acids. Exhibit diverse pharmacological properties: antibacterial, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer and anti-diabetic properties. Highly tunable and synthetically accessible, leading to many derivatives. Interact with enzymes, receptors and nucleic acid through hydrogen bond, metal coordination and pi-pi interactions. And another important other than slide about the imidazole. Imidazole derivatives exploit as antifungal agents with the drugs such as fluconazole, the name. Another one is itraconazole. And tyrosine kinase inhibitor has proven an effective strategy against cancer therapy. Another one is imidazole derivatives have shown a promise treating autoimmune disorders and inflammatory diseases. And very important thing, it is also used for chronic diseases like rheumatoid arthritis, cardiovascular disorders and especially for diabetes. These are all chronic diseases. Imidazole derivatives particularly used in neurology and psychiatric treatment also. Versatile synthesis. Imidazole derivatives can be produced via multiple established innovative routes. One is classic method. It utilized by Fischer imidazole synthesis and Bamberger condensation. Modern advances incorporate greener methods with catalytic systems, microwave assisted reaction and sustainable solvents. Enhanced diversity, improved synthesis yields a broader array of bioactive compounds. Drug design potential, that is GPCRS, G protein coupled receptors, and target the key enzyme in metabolic pathways. Next, we are going to see the synthesis of imidazole derivatives. Medicinal relevance. Imidazole derivative exhibits significant biological and pharmacological activities. Versatile synthesis. Various synthetic routes allow for targeted functional modifications. Diverse applications. Modification enable use of antimicrobial, anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory agents and much more. And anti-diabetic also. Efficient constructions. Established method ensure efficient and selective imidazole core information. Broad scope include classical method, modern techniques and advancement in green chemistry. Next we are going to see classical methods for synthesis of imidazole derivatives. First, Fischer imidazole synthesis. Reactants alpha haloketone and primary amine. in the condition acidic medium, that is hydrochloric acid, HCl. Next is the Bamberger synthesis. The reactant is 1,2-diaminobenzene and alpha beta unsaturated ketones. Condition both acidic or basic medium. The next is the Dewar synthesis. Dewar synthesis involves the cyclization of the alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde with hydrazine or hydrazine derivatives. It's a both acidic and neutral medium. Next is the modern synthesis method for imidazole derivatives. It's very important. It's a catalytic synthesis. In catalytic synthesis, two catalysts. One is the homogeneous catalyst that includes transition metal catalysts such as copper, palladium, platinum, like that. The next is a heterogeneous catalyst, that is solid phase catalyst, including zeolites and mesophorous silica. Microwave assisted synthesis. In microwave assisted synthesis, the main advantages is faster reaction times, higher yield and clear reactions. Next is the challenges in synthesis. Despite the many advancements in imidazole synthesis, severe challenges remain in the field. The primary challenges lies in the selective formation of the imidazole ring due to the nucleophilic nature of the nitrogen atoms. Controlling the regioselectivity of the reaction is crucial, particularly when multiple substituents are present. This requires carefully optimize the reaction condition to achieve the desired products in high yield and selectivity. Additionally, the synthesis of the chiral imidazole derivatives and the challenges. Imidazole is typically a planar structure, and introducing chirality into the ring can be difficult without creating an unwanted racemic structure. And the asymmetric synthesis techniques are often employed, requiring use of the chiral catalyst or a reagent to control the stereochemistry of the final product. Next is the characterization of the imidazole derivatives. Characterization of the imidazole derivative, we have to confirm the structure integrity, synthesized compound, and we have to find the functional group, purity and the structure present in the imidazole derivatives. These are the techniques. First one is spectroscopic techniques. It includes nuclear magnetic resonance, that is NMR spectroscopy. Next is the infrared spectroscopy, that is IR. Ultraviolet visible spectroscopy. The second one is mass spectroscopy. The third one is X-ray crystallography. The fourth one is chromatographic techniques. These are all used to find the characterization of the imidazole derivatives. Finally, I conclude my paper. Critical role. Synthesis and characterization of the imidazole derivatives are essential for developing bioactive compounds with therapeutic potential. Diverse synthetic method employ both classical techniques and modern catalyst technique and green chemistry approaches to create highly functionalized derivatives. Advanced characterization tools, that is, we are used to find the purity, functional groups and the characterization of the imidazole derivatives. That is NMR, IR spectroscopy, UV visible spectroscopy and chromatography and mass spectroscopy. Integrity assurance. Comprehensive techniques confirm the synthesized compounds integrity, facilitating drug discovery. These methods have the way for the novel therapeutic agents targeting the various diseases. And one more thing, beyond that slide, I have to inform this green chemistry approaches. That means it includes the solvent-free reactions, ionic liquids, and the biocatalyst. The name green chemistry approaches not only improve the sustainability of the synthesis process, but also align with the global push towards the reducing environmental footprint of pharmaceutical and chemical industry. These are the books I referred for my research paper. So,
no need.
okay. this is my research paper. Thank you for everyone to giving me an opportunity to present my paper, and happy Women's Day to all women present here in advance. Thank you so much, and I thank to my husband and my family members, 2 kids, for supporting me here. My talent and great time, they are supporting too good, and thanks everyone. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.